ETC is turning 50. It's amazing.
ETC fête ses 50 ans. Joyeux anniversaire.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum 50. Geburtstag.
I think 50 is a milestone for ETC, but really it's just laid the groundwork for the next 50 years. We're building things that go everywhere, all over the world. How do we make sure that all of that knowledge continues through the company for the next 50 years?
It started with Fred. He's such a great human, encouraged us to be great humans, and he used his resources to make being good to each other easy. And because we take care of each other, we know how to take care of our customers. And because we take care of our customers, we have this reputation in the industry. And because we have this reputation in the industry, all of a sudden we can do all of these exciting and new things and share more positivity with our customers. And it goes on and on and on and on.
It's really just been about good people in the right places trying their best. And I think that's the foundation of the culture. It's creativity, it's effort, and it's caring.
We supply the world's lighting equipment from right here in Middleton, Mazomanie, and our Austin facilities. We take a lot of pride in the fact that we are a U.S. manufacturer of entertainment lighting equipment, architectural lighting equipment, rigging systems, and everything else that we manufacture.
One of the things that makes ETC a special place to work, you get to see the impact of the work of your hands in the world.
You go to a show or a museum or a theme park and you play spot the ETC gear and you always spot it, right? It's the best game because you always win.
When ETC became 100% employee-owned, I think the message that was sent is that we value you.
We have a say in where this company will go.
The voice of every employee is now a little bit worth more.
When we do that collectively, it adds up to something much more than just the individual contributions.
And everybody can improve small things, but all together, it's gonna be a big thing.
I think someone once described us a little bit as like the Willy Wonka's chocolate factory of the industry. And I really love that sort of concept of, okay, yeah, we're a little bit nuts, but we care. We are easy to trust. And we're always trying to find, the wallpaper you can lick and get flavor.
It's a family. You can count on everyone.
I'm part of this place. I'm part of something bigger than myself. I take pride in seeing the product that I've made with my own two hands. Part of me is inside of that light.
Every single day is a new, exciting moment. You don't need to be afraid of problems. There's always a solution. It just needs to be figured out.
I'm always available for my customers, and even if it's in the weekend or on a Sunday morning or at night, I always pick up the phone. The most important is to give the customer the feeling that they have found the right partner to work with, because they can count on you.
Once you're our customer, you're our family too.
Keeping that original spirit of taking care of our employees and our customers, that show must go on spirit is steadfast.
Bigger, better, and brighter.
Why is the light important? It's like a sunshine. It's like color in our life.
You can be everything with light. You can be happy or scary.
ETC makes magic. ETC makes the tools that people use to make the world more beautiful. I think that's an amazing thing to get to do with your life.